Hey, I'm George Alanis, and I'm going to be giving you a tip to turn your map asset into something that's going to generate you clients. Now, for instance, if someone looks up AC repair, all these bubbles represent the number in the map pack that you're going to pop up in. Now, if you're in the top 3, you get about 60% of the traffic, which is cool because you can notice right here, you're number 1 for this tiny area right here. But there's people actually creeping up on you might not have noticed. AC repair of Arlington. Look at these guys. These guys have slowly been coming more east as time goes on. Now, so you're good around this pin. Now, same over here. It's Metro AC repair. So effectively, it's like at some point you're getting cornered with people doing different SEO strategies. Now, if you want to actually completely take back over, if you want to get your rankings back, you want to get those clients back, you want to get more clients than you were getting before, definitely reach out to me. Now, it doesn't have to be AC repair. We can do things like HVAC repair, heater repair, HVAC installs. I'm not sure if you want to focus on more bigger ticket items, because all that matters. If you want me to do a different heat map or something else, just let me know. We can definitely try to make up a plan for you to get more clients. But that's all I really have to say today. If you want to target these individual GPS locations so you actually wouldn't have to worry about a lot of this stuff, just email me back and we can actually talk about it and make a plan. Alright. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this. You have a good day. Like I said, I'm George Alanis. Bye.